Welcome to the Dash 450 instructional video. In this guide, we'll cover the following: overview, lighting modes, fit adjustment, low power and recharging, and cleaning. Let's jump in. Here are the parts of your Dash 450. An articulating front LED panel featuring a 125 lumen flood and 325 lumen spotlight, a single glove-friendly power button to access lighting modes, control brightness, and lock your unit, the adjustable moisture-wicking headband, and the rear red light and power unit with USB-C input to recharge your headlamp and a button to control the rear light settings. On the back of that rear light, you'll find your headlamp serial number. Use this to register your Dash 450 on the BioLite warranty page. When unboxing your Dash 450 headlamp for the first time, it'll come programmed in lock mode to preserve the battery. To exit, press and hold the front power button for 8 seconds. The light will flash red twice, and you can now access all modes. The front lighting modes rotate through the following sequence: red flood, white spot and flood, white spot strobe, and off. Click the power button in half-second increments to reach your desired mode. Here it is in real time so you can get the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, off. If you wait too long in between clicks, your headlamp may turn off. No problem. Just click it back on and proceed to your desired mode. To activate your rear red light, use the button on the back of your unit and press in half-second increments to toggle between solid red and strobe. Press and hold to dim. Your Dash 450 comes programmed with memory, meaning it will turn on to its last remembered setting. The memory setting will last for 12 hours before returning to the default setting. You can dim the headlamp on any mode by pressing and holding. And yes, this includes red flood mode on the front. To brighten, press and hold again. It'll flash at its brightest setting. The unit also has a lock mode feature to prevent accidental turn-on. To enter lock mode, press and hold the front power button for 8 seconds while the headlamp is off. The headlamp will flash twice in red. This means you have successfully locked your unit. To exit lock mode, press and hold again for 8 seconds. It will flash twice in red again. Your headlamp is now unlocked and ready to access light settings. For a comfortable and high-performance fit, place Dash 450 around your head and use the adjustment clips in unison. To tighten the band, pull the clips away from the back of your head. To loosen the band, push the clips toward the back of your head. It's important to use the clips in unison to maintain ideal balance, so try to avoid just pulling on one side. To adjust the direction of your light, you can move the LED panel up or down easily with one hand. Locate the lip behind the power button and guide it downward. To adjust back up, push gently on the front of your panel. Runtimes for the rechargeable Dash 450 are 3 hours on high and 60 hours on low. The illuminated 4 LEDs located at the bottom of the battery let you know how much power is left in the rechargeable battery. Dash 450 also features a reserve mode, so you've got some light to spare before your battery totally runs out. When your Dash 450 flashes once and dims, you're in reserve mode. It will now provide 5 lumens for 1 hour and cannot go any brighter. To get out of reserve mode, connect to a power source for charging. To recharge your unit, connect via the USB-C port to a power source. This could be a wall outlet, your computer, a power bank, or a solar panel. In addition to standard charging, Dash 450 also accepts Pass-Thru Charging, so you can extend the runtime of your headlamp while using it in real time by pairing it with an external power bank and tucking it into a vest or band. Your unit comes with a USB-C cord, but can work with almost any high-quality USB-C cable if you're looking for longer lengths for your pass-through setup. When relying on pass-through, check that the 4 white LEDs are lighting up in sequence to confirm your unit is charging. If you're running, you might be sweating. The moisture-wicking band will help. To prolong the integrity of the band, give it a clean from time to time. You can sponge clean the inside of your band using warm water and mild soap or detergent. But don't dunk it under a pouring faucet, and allow it to air dry. We hope you enjoy your Dash 450 out on the road and trail. From all of us here at BioLite, thanks for watching.